Good morning and welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing well and had a great and restful spring break. I was just checking in with you guys to tell you about a couple of things that are coming up for the rest of the school year and for this week and stuff. Um, if you look at your screen, you'll be able to see that this is what Autumn did over spring break. She really liked the flowers, and we did a lot of outside time. Our Easter was fun. Hope you guys had a good one too. Um, we are, so as far as school goes, we are going to be slowing down the pace a little bit. You'll have about 2 lessons per week for each subject now. So take your time on those and make sure you're doing your very best. Um, We'll still be available through Google Meet if you need help. I'll be doing Google Meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1:15. If you need help at other times, you can always message me. That being said, I did want to talk a little bit about when I'll be available and things of that sort. So, let's see. My office hours are going to be 9 to 11 in the morning and then 1:15 to 4:30 in the afternoon. So I'm doing that kind of to help you guys out to know when I'll actually be at my computer, as well as just making sure that, much like yourselves, I take time to take a break in the middle and actually eat lunch too. Um, you are going to be using Google Classroom a little bit more. Today you have an assignment that's a coloring assignment, which should be pretty fun, in Google Classroom. So make sure you follow the directions posted in It's Learning to get there. Let me know if you have any issues. Um, don't forget to actually submit your assignment once you're done with it in Google Classroom. Other than that, y'all, that's really it. I hope you're all doing well, and I miss you a lot. I hate that we're not going to be able to see each other again, but you know what? Um, join my Google Meet. Let's have a chat if you're having issues with math or if you'd just like to see me for a minute. So I do have a joke for you guys because I know you all missed the joke of the day from LMTV. So here's your joke. Ready? This summer, I'm gonna apply for a job cleaning mirrors. It's something I can see myself doing. But all right, guys. Well, have a great day, and let me know if you need any help.